Assalamu alaikum students. This is the last three numericals of chapter 4, ninth class physics, turning effects of force. The numerical is two blocks of 5 kg and 3 kg are suspended by the two strings are shown. Find tension in each string. So इस न्यूमेरिकल का सोल्यूशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. इस न्यूमेरिकल में हमने टेंशन फाइंड करनी है टू ब्लॉक्स की, जिसमें एक का वेट 5 kg है और दूसरे का वेट 3 kg है. तो गिवन डाटा है the given data is mass m1 which is 5 kg and mass m2 which is 3 kg. Now we will find weight of each block by multiplying its mass with gravity. So the weight of upper block is m1 multiplied by g. m1 is 5 kg and the value of gravity is 10. 5 multiply 10 is equal to 50 Newton. Same like the weight of lower block is W2 which is equal to M2 multiplied by gravity. M2 is 3 kg, so 3 multiplied by 10 which is 30 Newton. The required value which we have to find in this numerical is tension T1 and tension T2. So for solution, according to second condition of equilibrium, summation F is equal to 0. Therefore, tension in lower block which is T2 is equal to weight of lower block. And the value of tension in lower block is 30 Newton. Now we will find tension in upper block which is T1. The tension in upper block which is T1 is equal to weight of upper block plus weight of lower block. So W1 is 50 and W2 is 30 and answer is 80 Newton. Second last numerical is a nut has been tightened by a force of 200 Newton using 10 cm long spanner. What length of spanner is required to loosen the same nut with force of 150 Newton? इस न्यूमेरिकल का गिवन डाटा है फोर्स F1 which is 200 Newton, length which is 10 centimeter. We will convert 10 centimeter into meter, then it is 0.1 meter. And lastly force F2 which is 150 Newton. इस न्यूमेरिकल की रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यू है लेंथ L2 which we will find with the help of force F1, length L1 and force F2. In solution, according to second condition of equilibrium, summation torque is equal to 0. So clockwise torque is equal to anti-clockwise torque in this numerical. As we know that torque is equal to force multiplied by length. So clockwise torque will be F1 multiplied by L1 and anti-clockwise torque will be equal to F2 multiplied by L2. By putting values in place of F1, L1, F2 and L2. F2 is 150 Newton and L2 is required value. F1 is 200 Newton and L1 is 0.1 meter. 200 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.1 डिवाइडेड बाय 150. जब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा 0.133 मीटर. मीटर को जब सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो यह आ जाएगा 13.3 सेंटीमीटर. The given data of last numerical of this chapter is mass, which is 10 kg. The weight will be calculated from mass. So weight is equal to mass multiplied by gravity, 10 multiplied by 10. So weight is 100 Newton. The length is 20 centimeter and after conversion it will be 0.2 meter. L2 is 50 centimeter and after conversion it is 0.5 meter. The required value of this numerical is force F2, which is due to length 2. For the solution, as we know that F1 multiplied by L1 is equal to F2 multiplied by L2. F2 को फाइंड करने के लिए L2 को F1 मल्टीप्लाई L1 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो बाय पुटिंग वैल्यूज F1 इज 100 न्यूटन विच इज इक्वल टू वेट एंड L1 इज 0.2 मीटर, L2 इज 0.5 मीटर. After calculation, answer is 40 Newton. Here numerical of 4th chapter are completed and next I will start chapter 5 numericals. So for further study related, scholarship related and for motivational videos, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.